Hello and welcome to the second part of hospitality industry post-COVID. My name is Milind Mane and I am going to present today's slideshow. Coping with reality post-COVID. Prepare a blueprint to revive the business. Look for government schemes post-COVID and take benefit wherever possible. Now, I know that not many schemes have been announced and not many packages has been announced for the tourism industry or the hospitality industry, but let's hope that it will be done in the near future. Decide what changes in operations are required, whether with accessories, equipment, machinery, cleaning materials, personal protection accessories. Dig into your own pockets and make budget for revival. Understand your financial condition, understand how much you can spend in the first phase, break down the finances into various phases, and make a budget for the revival. The owner or the manager has to lead the vision and the mission statement as we discussed in the first part. Brief the executives and staff on your vision, take inputs and finalize the mission plan. It is always important to take inputs from the entire team because many of them are on the floors and our practical suggestions are coming up. So these are the things which we need to consider while making the plan. Survival and revival attitude by the team to be inculcated through motivation and compassion. Survival is because the mental health has been affected during this lockdown period. So we need to motivate them and we need to have a revival attitude as to yes, I can do it. Yes, we can do it that way. Design the hygiene and rules posters and display in the property for the guests and staff. Prepare departmental SOPs for post COVID-19 operations. SOP is standard operating procedures. Have in-depth discussion of SOP and start in-house training before the opening. Ensure that all the team is trained in the post-COVID norms SOPs before the opening so that there are no hiccups. As I said, standard operating procedures. We observe that not many units believe in that. But again, I want to stress what are the objectives of SOP? Objective is to achieve excellence in guest satisfaction. SOP sets multi-directional guidelines to the employees at odd levels in department, thereby ensuring the consistency in the way of operating functions which eventually give consistent output, increasing the results. The general operations and hygiene, this part is important because it has got certain government norms and all. So it will be useful before you start your operations. FRI and FSSI to conduct training for COVID-19 awareness, which is being happening on the webinars. You can download a lot of information from the internet. Appoint a COVID officer, admin or HR to do this, who will be in touch with local authorities. His job will be to check on hygiene of staff, guests and the property. It could be an audit. Keep in touch with local doctors and find out the nearest COVID facility available. Once in a month, checkup of all staff is a must. All the records should be maintained for showing it to the local directors, local doctors. Symptoms of COVID should be displayed clearly for reference so that anyone displaying any signs of or symptoms of COVID coronavirus, they should be immediately quarantined. Poster of A3 size, hygiene, physical distancing, hand sanitization should be put up. Social distancing is the new normal. Staff will adhere to social distancing norms by queuing up at circular indicators marked at the time office or linen rooms, employee dinings, and other back of the house areas. Non-invasive thermal testing conducted for all staff at the time office on arrival to work. Staff with cold, cough, or temperature of more than 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.3 degrees centigrade will inform the supervisors and stay home. All staff to wear masks and food handlers, attendants to wear aprons and headgear. Safety and hygiene audits with certification have to be done. Communicate passionately with the vendors and make them aware of new hygiene and delivery norms. The vendors are like sometimes not aware of many things. There is a lot of illiteracy at the delivery boy levels. So make them aware of the hygienes and the delivery, how you want the deliveries, how it has to be packaged, and accordingly you talk to them compassionately so that they are not offended, but they are made aware of certain things. Balanced approach to payments and relations have to be maintained with the vendors. Alcohol-based sanitizers will be placed at all critical touch points in the back of the house areas like lift landings, corridors, entrance of washrooms, lockers, uniform rooms, employee dining, etc. One room can be kept for isolation. Only single occupancy will be provided unless guests are a family unit. Normally, we used to provide occupancy, double occupancy, triple occupancy. During the conferences, we offer triple occupancies, but now only single occupancy will be provided unless it is a family unit. The staff will highlight to the guest about changes in the service pattern and promote contactless service while informing options for digitally sharing of health assessment forms and digital payments. We will be having, like, on the for the reservations and all, we will be having a system whereby all your documents will be uploaded before you reach the resort or the hotel. Guests will be requested to share a digital copy of the photo identification prior to check-in. The brand's booking site will feature all the changed service offerings and would also be communicated to the guest with the booking confirmation. Now, up to this, I would like to wind up here because the further part are all about from the guest arrival experience right up to the guest checkout. We will discuss that in the part 3. Thank you for your attention. If you need any help, contact us on hmms99 at the rate yahoo.com. I repeat, hmms99 at the rate yahoo.com. This is our email ID. Thank you. Yes, please.